Chin chin. Okay, tonight because Mindy asked me if I could do manicotti, but I said no. That's 5-course meal. I don't do it on the show. I only make a couple things. So here are the manicotti, and I'm sorry I couldn't show you, but you can find the recipe in my book. Here they are. I always, can you see? Can you see it? Okay, those it will take about 25 minutes. So, Jose made the pizza. I want you to show it, please. Of course, I had to make red sauce, and now I'm gonna do peppers with my salad dressing and 1 garlic clove. Did you see how I did the garlic? I'm trying to be a chef, but it's ridiculous. I don't know what to do here. I'm just a home cook, and I'm in my own house, and I can do whatever I want. So I'm not gonna chop this garlic, I'm only gonna do this. So now we're gonna saute. Do you like peppers? I want you guys to watch how I do the peppers. Everybody can never have enough. So I'm gonna use my dressing on these peppers. Not too much oil. Can you smell the garlic? So tonight's menu we have manicotti, peppers with I made a beautiful salad for my guests. I made a little dessert. So you see, when the peppers get like this, we need to put some salt, and I like sea salt. So here is my pork tenderloin. Good. I keep this bottle, but it's the same oil because of watch with the. It's been marinating all day. I like them crispy. This is ready. What is my little plate? Here it is. Okay, you want to show them? Here they are. Okay, let me start my. Now, did you see this pot? I had no oil. You see that? And I like the lemon, okay? I will put the lemon in between. I need a little wine. Chin chin, chin chin, so much fun. Anyway, if you guys need to know what I did here, olive oil, not too much, drizzle, sea salt, fresh rosemary from my patio, lemon, pepper, and fresh oregano. I will add a little bit of oil, just a little. Okay, so I'm gonna take that and let it rest. This, because it's thicker, it needs a couple more minutes, okay? I'm gonna cut a little piece and I'll let you taste it.
Okay.
Go ahead. We eat with hands here.
I'm eating with my
We don't use feet. My viewers, they're gonna love me tonight. I've never been so a little crazy. What do you think? You cannot starve the men. They're gonna go and smell some other kitchen. Okay?
Oh, Monday.
Come on, let's be smart, okay? I never talk like that, but the truth is the truth. So I'm gonna take it out and look at the color. I love this pen. Look. Let me see here. What do we have? The smell. You wanna smell them? Oh my God, look at this, perfect. Haha, I'm happy. Okay, so we got the peppers, we got that. Now I'm gonna cut this. And we are in business, as they say. I need the big knife. Yes, oh, hello, look. Do you like thin pieces or big pieces? What do you like? Please.
We're not picky.
You are not?
No.
Okay. And then dessert. It's not finished. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching this crazy 84 years old. Some people say, why you tell you 84? Why not?
Yeah, you should be proud. Own it.
But you look 55. Yeah, sure, I look 55. I look 75. But you know, even when I was 20, I looked 10 years younger. Chin chin.
Chin chin.